one way to use the perspective tool in Gimp. I'm using Gimp 2.10.24. So imagine I have this image here, but I would want to replace this sky thing here with this thing here. So I come here and then I choose my, you can get the perspective tool here. If yours is not the first, you just go and then you select it, you left click and you select it, and then you can adjust it the way you would want. So you just come here and then you just move. It's not necessary you move you can also move it inside. I mean, you don't need to come here directly. You can do the move anywhere at all actually. And then if this is in your way, you see a small thing here, you can click it and then you can move it up and down so that it's not in your way, just in case. So you come here, I'm just moving these here just to get it. I mean, it's not necessary. I'm lucky what I have is more or less like a rectangle, but it can be any quadrilateral at all or any thing at all. You can place it like this or whatever and it works perfectly well. I will place it as it should be in the photo, and then if you are done with it, you just go to transform, and then it transforms it. If you think it did not do a good job, you can still continue to do whatever you think should be done to adjust it. I will adjust mine a little bit more because I think I did not place it well. Let's see here, and then I have transform, and then if you are satisfied with it, you can come to the layer here and then you press maybe merge down to merge it to the other thing, and you have a different thing altogether. There are many things you can do with it. This is one way that you can use a perspective tool. I will do other videos showing other ways of using it. Thank you. If this helped you in any way, please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.